everybody. It's such a beautiful day out here today here in Arizona. I'm out hiking. If this day was food, I'll be going for seconds, thirds. So welcome to my channel. I am so grateful that you're giving me your time. It means so much to me. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. It's under Shakwe Tuya. Push that red subscribe button. In doing so, you're letting me know that these videos are really useful to you. I hope your week was amazing. First, let me say, if you're fighting something, I hope you're fighting a winning battle. Some mountains are just assigned specifically to you so that you can show others how to move them. So own it and fight it like a winner, like a warrior. Only you can fight it. And if you're feeling depleted, pray for wisdom so that you know when to walk away from that fight. Sometimes you gotta walk away. They say, he who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. So while on the battlefield, don't allow the battle to take away from you. Don't lose like that. Let the battle make you better. Don't be bitter, be better. They say don't be bitter, be better. So you have everything it takes to come out unscathed. As the scripture says, many are the affliction of God's people, but God always brings them safely through them. So you'll be given a cactus kind of situations, but you don't have to sit on it. It's not going to prick you. It'll be your reference point. It was Martin Luther King who said, don't allow anyone to pull you so low as to make you hate them. So don't allow anyone or anything to change the values that you hold dear. Don't change yourself to be someone else. You're empowered. These too shall pass. Your troubles are meant to elevate you, not to bring you down. So you can say with confidence, shoot me with your words, cut me with your eyes, kill me with your hatefulness, but I'm going to rise. They may want to see you broken. They may want to see your head bowed or lowered. They may want you looking down in shame. They may want to see your teardrops, but you are going to rise. It was Maya Angelou who said, dance like you got diamonds between your thighs, at the meeting of your thighs. So leave behind the nights of terror and fear and rise. Why? Because you are the dream and the hope of many. Rise and rise. Let those words be yours. Like air, rise. So problems do come and pass, but you will remain steadfast. Temptations come and go, but you will remain steadfast. You are an overcomer. Stay in the fight until the final round. Why? Because God is greater than all your problems and troubles combined. God is holding you. You might be down for a moment, feeling hopeless for a moment. Stay in the fight. Don't you ever give up. When you're tempted to blame everything and everyone, even when people's character surprise you or you surprise yourself, remember your personal power. Remember your personal power. Remember your personal power. Don't push responsibility to other people or to the environment. Remember you got power. You disempower yourself when you disown some aspects of yourself. Everything may not be pretty and calm, but own it. Remember your personal power. Create a strong person in yourself that can accept the flaws or the flawed parts of you. Be kind, understanding, and self-forgiving. Your self-acceptance is your self-power, is your personal power. Don't accuse another person for what you're going through. Do not assign blame to anyone else. You are not powerless. Remember your personal power. Every time you fall, you can build and rebuild and start over. You fall 7 times, but you get up the 8th time. No matter how many times you've been knocked down, you can get up again. You can even fall 1,000 times, but you just keep getting up and trying again. And your breakthrough may not come quickly. What's more important is that you're keeping the faith because you have the power to keep going. Just like that Eveready, or is it an Energizer battery commercial that says it just keep going and going and going? That's you. That should be you. When you fall, you're not going to be critical of yourself. You're going to use that opportunity to learn. You give yourself the right to be wrong. You can say, I'm wrong this time, but it's not the end of me because I am empowered. You will not direct any hostility to yourself or anyone because you're empowered to change the direction where you're headed. You are the driver. You're not the passenger. Remember your personal power. You have the key. You have the key. So don't punish yourself or anyone else or anything else. Use it to learn. You can even have these self-empowering statements that I can do this. I have the ability to do this. I'm human. I have weaknesses, but I'm getting better. I have difficulty making friends or keeping friends, but I'm changing this. I fall off my goals, but I'm getting back up. I solve my own problems because I got power. And I use my resources. There is nothing I cannot do. That is personal power. Remember your personal power in everything that you go through. So I hope this gets you empowered for this week. I am so excited for the next week. It's such a privilege to share this lifetime with you. And I'm so glad that our paths crossed. So share this video with a friend and hear from this beautiful desert. Let me finish my hike. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. Let me try and show you around here. There you have it. God bless you. Have a wonderful week. You're special. Bye.